What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Velo, which has not been performing too well, as you can see, consistently dropping over the last approximately over a month right now. Yes, it has had its green candles here and there in between, but overall it has been moving towards a negative direction. In the last 24 hours itself, it is up just under 3%, nothing too major. But what we're going to be looking at in today's video is it still worth investing into Velo? Is it a good cryptocurrency for the short term and the long term as well? Looking at when is the right time to buy, when is the right time to sell, looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, and of course looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can it go, and is it a good crypto to be investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and the crypto market in general has not been performing too well over the last week or so, with Bitcoin dropping down to $27,000. And again, today's focus is on Velo. So in the last hour, it has dropped just about half a percentage. Over the last day, 2% down. Over the week, 2% up. Over the last week, just about 2% up once again. And over the month, it is a massive 52% down, with major drops here in mid-April, as you can see, consistently dropping in value, and it is still ongoing right now. And overall, over the year, is 91% down. Again, it's not looking too good, but again, some people here are for the long term, so can it pump back up anytime soon? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has gone up to about $9 million, as you can see here in the last 24 hours. That is a trading volume. So yes, it has slightly gone up. The only reason is it started to pump up a little bit, nothing too crazy. So we are seeing people who are starting to trade the crypto, but again, no major changes have been expected from Velo. So again, the trading volume hasn't moved much as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.003577 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value here in green at 0.002974 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and much lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the orange lines looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to slightly be more on the positive side. Again, minimal increases in value are expected, but nothing too crazy. So guys, do expect minimal increases in value from Velo towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. But again, as I keep mentioning, guys, it's not going to be a major increase or a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, and yes, there are going to be red candles in between as well, so it's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal increase in value from Velo. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we expect here? Now we're looking a little bit more positive. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning according to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Velo over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, we should see Velo trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, That doesn't mean it's going to go for a major increase. Again, I'm not expecting any major increases from Velo. Yes, there may be a pump here and there in between, but it's likely to drop back down in value. So again, an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Velo by this time next week. So over the next week or so, I'm expecting Velo to be more or less trading around its current price range with very minimal peaks and dips in between. So guys, yes, we are going to see red and green days over the next 7 to 8 days. However, the overall outcome seems to be neutral. So more or less trading at its current price range is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Velo over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say by mid to late June, early July 2023, we should see Velo trading at slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And again, I'm expecting Velo to be trading over the half-a-cent target by late May, early June as well, potentially heading towards the 1 cent target towards mid-year is what I'm expecting. So over the next 2 to 3 months, we should see Velo trading at just about heading towards the 1 cent target. I'm not saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, but heading up there is what I'm expecting. However, this all depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if Bitcoin drops down to 25k, then yes, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. However, if it manages to pump up to about 30, 35, 40k, then we are of course going to see major increases in the crypto market. But anything like that which I can try and predict of, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to see where we are at the moment. As you can see, we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone. We've got a long way to hit the resistance target hit of 35 cents, guys, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. No way near any time soon. So not even this year, not next year, potentially over the next 3 to 4 years is when I'm expecting Velo to be hitting the resistance targets, if that. But at the moment is more or less going to be trading in the red zone. So we are going to be stuck in the red zone for now anyway, so there's no point using the Fibonacci scale when it comes to Velo. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Velo, guys. Comment down below what your expectations are. When are you guys expecting Velo to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.